Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Ken and you are watching Scan Tech Tips. Today we are going to look how you can have 4 different apps on a single screen. So without any delay, let's get on with it. The first app we are going to use is a browser for a research. Let's do it. To keep it on a place, we are going to use Windows, just left arrow key and then up. As you can see, it's fixed right there. Now next app we are going to use Notepad to keep notes. We will use same procedure. Press down Windows key and then I'll write it here. I use Windows and arrow keys to move it around. Now the third one will be our VLC. Entertainment is also important during work or you will be bored. We will slide there. All I used is Windows key and arrow keys. You can also hold the corners and slap them on at any corner you want, like on the right corner or the left. Now the last one is you can see there you go. We have our 4 softwares open here. This is enough for today. I'll see you with next video in the next time. If you like our videos, please do subscribe and press the like button. See you all later. Have a good day.